Hello students, today we are going to study a very important question, and the question is name the drug of choice in anaphylactic shock. And to understand this, let's start with anaphylactic reactions or allergic reactions. So you have seen in many persons there are allergic reactions due to bee sting or food allergy like peanut or seafood or due to any drug. Now, what are these anaphylactic or allergic reaction? Basically, these are type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. And in this, these type of hypersensitivity reaction or type 1 hypersensitivity reactions are mediated by the IgE immunoglobulins. And when IgE immunoglobulins come in contact with the antigen, they attach to the mast cell and the degranulation of the mast cell occur, which release a lot of mediators which cause the hypersensitivity reactions or anaphylactic reactions. The most important among these mediators is histamine. Although serotonin, leukotriene and prostaglandin release is also there, but main role is of histamine. Now, release of histamine result in itching, urticaria, angioedema, bronchospasm, anaphylactic shock. So, what is itching you know very well, and what about urticaria? So, what is urticaria? Urticaria starts as an itchy patch of skin that turns into swollen red welts, and it affects the top layer of the skin. It affects only the top layer of the skin, and surely it is itchy. And what about angioedema? Angioedema involves the deep layer of the skin, including dermis, subcutaneous tissue, mucosa, submucosal tissue, and if it involves the area around the neck, then it can block the airways also. Now, anaphylactic shock is an emergency condition, and in anaphylactic shock there is severe vasodilation which can lead to decrease in the blood pressure, and the blood vessels also become leaky, so that there is more decrease in the blood pressure, and this decrease in blood pressure causes a state of shock. Now come to our main question. Name the drug of choice in anaphylactic shock. And the answer is drug of choice in anaphylactic shock is adrenaline. It is given by IM route and the dose of 0.5 milligram. So 0.5 milligram IM adrenaline is used in the anaphylactic shock for an adult person. Now, why we use adrenaline in anaphylactic shock? What is the pharmacological basis? Now, adrenaline is the physiological antagonist of the histamine. What does the physiological antagonist mean? It means that adrenaline reverses the action of histamine by acting on different receptors. So it is the physiological antagonist. Okay, not pharmacological antagonist, otherwise they have to work on the same receptor. Physiological antagonist means it reverses the action of histamine by acting on different receptors. So adrenaline is the physiological antagonist of histamine, and it affords quick relief in angioedema, laryngeal edema, and in anaphylactic shock. And in anaphylactic shock, it acts by the vasoconstrictor and the cardiac stimulant effect, and it also provides quick bronchodilator action. It means it reverses the bronchoconstriction caused due to histamine. So adrenaline can overcome all the problems created due to the anaphylactic reactions like angioedema or laryngeal edema, anaphylactic shock, and it also overcomes the bronchoconstriction, which can also be life threatening. So that's why we use adrenaline in anaphylactic shock. And now this is the picture of EpiPen. It is a medical device for injecting the measured dose of epinephrine or adrenaline, and it can be used by the patient itself having an allergic reaction or having severe type 1 hypersensitivity or allergic reaction, and it cost nearly $650 a set of two pens, and in Indian rupees the set of two pen cost nearly 48,000 rupees. Though this EpiPen can be self-administered in severe type of allergic reaction, but it is not available in India because it is not approved by the regulatory authorities in India. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you for your time.